Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today we're gonna do like a little weekend analysis to help us prepare for the week that's coming up. Okay, so yesterday SPY had a nice choppy day, didn't really go nowhere as you can see. However, it did come down to test the 5-day moving average. Okay, that's pretty healthy. I always tell you guys, in a strong bull market, the price action likes to come down and test the 5-day moving average. Sometimes it bounces right off of it. Sometimes it dips just a little bit under to fake us out, and then it goes up higher. Okay, so seeing that this 5-day moving average get tested and hold tells me that the price action is still very bullish. It's trading above all moving averages, and we should remain bullish as long as the price action is bullish. Okay, so this little choppy day was healthy. Okay, now if the 5-day moving average does not hold, which is at 451.3 right now, we do have support down here at 447, which is a previous high right over here, as you can see. And if that doesn't hold, we have a critical support level here at 443, which is where the 50-day and currently where the 13-day moving average is. If you look at a weekly chart, that's around where the 13-day and the 5-week, the 13-week and the 5-week moving average. Okay, so it's 5 weeks or 13 weeks because we're on a weekly chart, and that's where they are. That's going to serve as a critical support level for us. All right, so we have plenty of support. All right, that for us to look for buying opportunities. I don't think we'll get below 443, but if we do, that's pretty bearish. All right, you guys can be a little more bearish if that happens, and the next support level below that is at 440, and of course below that is where the gap fell at 436. And if SPY looks to fill the gap, that could end up being a false breakout. Okay, you don't want to try to call a top in the bull market. I know a lot of people are saying, well, it needs to come back and test the breakout level and all that happy stuff. That's true to a certain extent, okay? But what you don't want to do is trying to call a top because you think it's going to come back down. You got to wait for the price action to actually do it and look for buying opportunities as long as this breakout holds. If the breakout doesn't hold and it's a false breakout, that's when you want to become bearish and bet to the downside, and you want to enter around resistant levels. You guys understand how that works? That's the best thing you can do. All right, but if you're trading based on price action, all right, you want to wait for your scenarios to play out. All right, but in my opinion, this was a healthy pullback right here. I have a 457 price target, and I think we will hit it by next week, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, around there. Of course, my prediction, quote, quote, it's not 100%. There's always a chance that I'm wrong, and you guys should manage your own risk. But I'll leave that up to you guys. As of right now, I am bullish. Another reason I'm bullish is if you take a look at the VIX, after this breakdown right here, we have multiple closes. But look, like the SPY going to test the 5-day, which is healthy, VIX decided to test where the breakdown level was. As you can see, it broke down, come back, and it got rejected right at the breakdown level. That's bearish price action. Healthy bearish price action for VIX. Healthy bullish price action for SPY. Guys, I recommend remaining bullish. Look for buying opportunities at one of our support levels, and then I think you guys could be profitable this coming up week. Okay, but if you're not, please manage your risk and keep your losses small. I cannot stress that enough. Okay, so one more time, we have support here at 451, 447, 443 is a critical support level. Okay, below 443, I might be a little more bearish to our support level here, 440, 439, and then below that is 436. And if we do go test that gap, like I said, that's a false breakdown or a false breakout, I'll be more bearish, and we could come down to test this 200-day moving average. I don't think that's the case. I think 443 will hold. So guys, look for buying opportunity, and let's make this money together. QQQ also has some healthy price action. Okay, so we got the breakout. All right, and it came back to test the breakout level. So QQQ compared to the price action of SPY is a lot more healthier, and depending on the trader, this can be easier to trade for some of you guys. Okay, so we got that, Healthy price action. A nice pullback came and tested our breakout level. It bounced right off of that. So we'll see. Below 373, I'll be more bearish on the triple Q. That would be a false breakout. We have support here at 370, 366, and 364. Okay, we look on the weekly chart. We have the 13-week moving average here at 370, and the 5-week moving average is at 367. Okay, those are critical support levels as well. But what I'm watching is the 373 because that's where the breakout level was. And if below that, I'd be more bearish. Okay, is that understand? Is that a hard concept for you guys? I hope you guys get that, okay? All right, so just let the price action guide you. I know I sound repetitive, but you know, it's what works for me. Also, I want you to consider the area of liquidity. All right, here is the area of liquidity. All right, market makers could, in the orange zone, market makers could look to take out our stop losses because a lot of retail traders are looking at this and they want to trade based on the structure. Okay, they probably entered at the breakout level, which means they most likely set their stop loss below the breakout level. So market makers could look to take out the stop loss before heading back higher. If you see that false breakdown and then market makers push it right back up, be bullish. Okay, follow the smart money. The best way to follow the smart money is study the price action. Okay, guys, so right now I am bullish on the triple Q. ARKK, another healthy pullback yesterday. Okay, came down to our support level at the 50-day moving average. I told you guys, as long as we stay above 117, I am bullish, and we were still able to close above 117. It did come a little low below 117, possibly taking out some stop losses and faking out some bears. And then we had some buying pressure. Okay, now that is kind of a bearish engulfing candle, but we'll see. Okay, because I'm not tripping. I'm gonna let the price action guide me. ARKK below 117, I'm bearish. ARKK above 117, I'm bullish. Just as simple as that. Don't try to complicate it. Okay, guys. Moving on to Bitcoin. I told you guys how much I love Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin, it came down to test this previous high right here, as you can see. So far it's holding. All right, that also happens to be where the 13-day moving average is. Okay, now below that is another critical support level at 58K where the 20-day moving average is. Okay, below 58K I'll be a little more bearish, and then I will look to enter around 50K to 53K because that's a previous high right here, and it's also where the 50-day moving average. Okay, so 50 to 53K is a good buy zone if 58K does not hold. But as long as it holds, it has the 71K price target, 71,000 price target is still in play, okay? And watch out if Bitcoin gets back above the 5-day, which is around 63K. Bitcoin at 63K or above is very bullish, okay? And we'll most likely will hit the price target of 71K, all right? So I'm going to keep today's video short, simple, and sweet, all right? Good luck this coming up week, guys. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button bell as well, because my technical analysis are time sensitive. If you watch one of my videos from 2 days ago or more, it probably doesn't apply, okay? So you want to watch each of the videos so we can stay up to date and stay on the right side of this market, okay? This crazy market. I hope I was able to help. Please join my community. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 members for my private Facebook. Help me out. Join the community. I think we can make a lot of money together. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon.